Cool.
And we're live. Okay, let's say a prayer. Zach?
Yes.
You need blessings? We need to say a prayer.
I do. I'm going less active, so I'll pray now.
Oh my god.
Our Father in heaven, we thank thee for this day. We thank thee for all thy many blessings. We thank thee for the time that we've been able to have this morning and that we're able to come together as a group and to learn pre-calculus. We ask thee to bless us that our minds will be quickened and we'll be able to learn the concepts contained within the lesson. We also ask thee to bless us to remember the things that are most important. And we say these things in the name of thy Son, Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen.
I apologize for my dog. He was like freaking out right now. I don't know if you can hear him, but he's really loud.
He's all good. I don't even think I can hear him.
Anytime he can hear voices, he like freaks out.
All right, let me get this other assignment up.
Actually, I have it right here. I can try to screen share it if I remember how to do it.
Okay, sounds good.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. So we have an exam this week.
I know, I saw that. When does it due? On Saturday?
Let me check. And is it on my math lab or is it like on Island?
I need to hit
on
the
math lab.
freaking...
That'd be the best.
All good questions. 1 second.
I need to
Well,
hit the tutors this week.
Mine's in Eastern time, so it's gonna be different.
That's fine.
So it's multiple choice and written questions.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh,
So it ends on what's 30th?
the 30th. I think that's Saturday, isn't it?
Friday. Friday, yeah. So it ends at,
What's the point of that?
right? I know. It ends on Friday at 1 a.m. for me, so
That's
11
like 11.
for you, yeah.
Okay. Well, that sucks.
Yeah. But at least you can like do part of the exam one day and then do the other part another day.
That's true.
Like you don't have to do it all in one sitting, I guess.
Is there like a study guide, or is that what we're doing? In our...
So the exam one preparation,
Uh-huh.
if you follow the link to it, it has like this review sheet.
Uh-huh.
It doesn't really, it has a couple problems, but it's just basically telling you all the concepts that you need to know.
Okay.
Or
All
be
right,
able
Tyrell.
to.
We need to take that to the math lab this week.
hey.
Yeah. So, let me get back to the instructions. So we're supposed to have each member of a group present a problem or a type of problem that he or she is struggling with. And we're supposed to discuss the problem or type of problem to teach one another.
Is that next week?
No, that's for today.
We're not supposed to do the
No, we are. We're supposed to do that and the extension problems.
Oh.
Okay. Got it. Guys, I'm struggling when you have 5x plus 2 equals 7, how to solve for x. Can you tell me how to solve that?
I think if you don't know how to do that one, I think you're on your own.
I don't know. What am I struggling with?
So let me put it back on the review thing.
Zach, you're struggling with like getting a girlfriend. We could talk about that if you want.
Yeah. That's so true. I'm so awkward with girls.
Good thing that won't be on the exam then. Okay. So it lays out all the different sections. So does anybody have anything?
I feel like I might have some after the test more than.
Yeah, me too.
I know I haven't started the review, so it's hard to say.
Okay.
Let's just pick one to do as like a group.
Okay.
Let's do number 1 because I struggle with that.
Point, slope, and midpoint.
We could do this one. It says find the center and radius of the circle and graph the circle.
Okay.
You want to do that one?
Yeah. Number 2.
Okay. So
So the equation of a circle is like y equals like a factored out thing squared plus another factored out thing squared, isn't it?
I think so. I had like notes on it. I'm trying to find it. Actually, maybe this is good. We're all reviewing it.
Yeah. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. That's
Yeah.
what it is. Okay. So can we factor this stuff, but they're like attached with what's it called? Addition.
Yeah, I think you can. Just like group the first 2 and then the last 2.
Yeah.
And just leave the plus sign.
Yeah.
So
So we have to get rid of the X and the Y on the numbers, right?
yeah. Well, we can get rid of that by factoring an x out and factoring a y out. But then we don't have it squared. So if we have x plus 6, x times x plus 6 plus y times y plus 8. Neither of those
You
are
just complete
squared.
the square though,
Oh.
and then do that. Like instead of 0, you'd have the other number over there.
Wait, how do you complete the square again?
So you take like 2 factors of 6,
Okay.
and you like multiply them,
Mhm.
and then you get like if you were to do 2 and well, I guess it'd be 3 and 3, wouldn't it?
3 and
Do like x plus 3 squared instead of that, and then you add 3 to the other side too.
yeah. And then
4 on the other one, right?
Yeah. So can you just do that?
Are you allowed to just do that? I don't know. That's what I would do, like if I was just looking at it, but I don't know if
Yeah.
that's like allowed in this.
I think so. We just have to get it to the standard equation form. Right? Which is the x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared.
So we would
Yeah.
have negative
So
3 and negative 4, right?
if you complete the square, all you have to do is add it onto the other side. So yeah, we can do that. So you'd have like x plus 3 squared, like you said, plus y plus
So then you'd have 4 over there, right?
4.
And then you'd have
Yeah.
25 on the other side. So the radius would be 5.
Mm-hmm.
And then the center point would be negative 3, negative 4.
Yeah. I think you're right.
Close enough, right?
I think so. So what was the full? So x plus 3?
Squared, like quantity squared, plus y plus 4 quantity squared equals 25.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And then
9 plus 16.
the
Yeah.
then the
Right.
radius would be 5, right?
Right.
Okay.
Radius equals 5, and then the center is 3, 4.
I think negative 3,
Because-
negative 4, right?
negative.
Oh,
negative
yeah.
3, 4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Negative 3, negative 4.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I got.
Perfect.
Good.
That was a good review, guys.
Okay. I'm actually glad we went over that one.
Yeah.
Okay. So I guess we'll review, I guess, for the exam on our own more, hopefully.
Yes.
And then, and then these are the extension problems. So there's 4 of them.
Okay.
You have to graph this, and then find all the transformations, stating the domain and range, identify any symmetry, state the name of the function, and identify the intervals for increasing and decreasing.
Easy. We got it. Okay, so do you guys want to list the transformations first?
Sure.
Okay.
So,
it switches the symmetry among the x-axis. That's the first thing, yeah?
Right, because it's a negative 1/2.
yeah,
And
so it's reflected. Yeah.
Reflected. And then it shrinks because it's 1/2, yeah?
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Because it's
like
less than 1.
Yeah.
it moves up 3.
Up 3, and then since it's negative, it moves to the right 4. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
Nice. Okay. Domain. We gotta graph that, I guess, first.
Yeah. Okay.
Who's got that graphing calculator?
Me.
I need to get batteries today, ASAP.
Well, we can do the domain and range without graphing first, I think.
Yeah, we can. It's just easier with the graph, but yeah, I guess.
I don't think we're going to be able to on the test, though.
Oh yeah, we'd have to graph it by hand, and that won't really help us. Okay.
So I guess it doesn't matter because we all know how to graph it anyway, but
Yeah. Okay, so domain, what can we plug in for x that won't completely destroy the problem? It should be anything, yeah?
Yeah.
It should be infinity to negative infinity to infinity.
right for domain.
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you find the range without having a graph?
So you know what it looks like? It's just the upside down V.
Yes.
Just all numbers less than that initial y point, which is 3. So it's like all numbers less than or equal to 3, I think. right?
Wouldn't it be?
Yeah.
Because it's flipped this way, though, isn't it?
No, it's flipped
I'll
down.
show you.
Upside down.
Oh, upside
I'll
down.
show
Okay.
you. How do I get off this?
Okay, so
Okay.
it goes from negative infinity to 3?
Yes. It looks like this.
Right.
Gotcha.
So
Okay,
the
so yeah.
highest point is at 3.
So
4,
it'd be
3.
3 comma negative infinity. Open or with a parenthesis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A 3 with a bracket.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Got it. Got him.
Okay, and then we got to so we did the transformations, domain range, symmetry, the name of the function, and the intervals for increasing.
Okay. Name of the function is absolute value.
Uh-huh.
It's symmetric over the. Let's see. At the 4? Like it's symmetric, like this
Yeah,
side. Yeah.
but I think we have to do it in terms of like odd and even symmetry, which
Oh.
I can never really understand.
That means that we have to find the inverse of the function. Oh, geez, finding the inverse of that? That's going to be
Wait,
difficult. I guess, but symmetry, if we already have the graph, then we should be able to find it out without having to do odd or even, yeah? Because it just talks about the symmetry with the x-axis.
okay. So,
Let's just say it's symmetric.
well, yeah, like looking at it, it is. But
Let's say even then.
It's not asking if it's even, but all right.
no, well, like in other questions, it like I remember looking at like the key or whatever, it was like even or odd. So
Yeah.
it's like
I just opened the key and it says symmetric over 4 infinity.
oh, okay, then you're right. Okay.
4 to infinity?
Wait, that's
Well,
decreased. I
It would
lied.
just be
That's
like,
decreasing.
Symmetry is x equals 4.
so yeah, it'd be x equals, no,
That's-
y equals, no, x equals 4, right?
Yeah,
Would be the line of
because
symmetry.
it's over the 4.
Yeah.
That's where it like it crosses.
Yes, Zach, that's where it crosses.
Got
Mr.
it.
Arnold.
All right, got him.
Okay.
Increasing negative infinity to 4, decreasing 4 to infinity.
Nice, Zach.
Yeah. Good job. Okay. So I think we did everything for that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And then we have to do the difference quotient for that function.
Okay. This is
This is
good. This
I
is
know, I
good
don't like
because
it
I need to
either.
see if I got this right on the quiz. So we'll see in a second.
Like, I don't know. These are really easy. It's just easy to get like a negative mixed up or something because they're so
Yeah. It's easy to mix up the like terms or whatever.
X squared minus 2x plus 1 all over h. Okay.
Okay, so I got 6x minus 3h minus 2. No, 6x plus 3h minus 2.
Oh. Okay. I was way off.
It might be me, I don't know.
Okay, so I just want to make sure that this is right. So you plug in, you have 3 times x plus h squared, right?
Uh-huh.
So that gives you
Wait,
3x.
hold on. What'd you get again?
I got 6x plus 3h minus 2.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Okay, good.
Okay, go for that.
Okay, so you do, so from the 3x plus h squared, you get 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared, yeah?
Yes.
And then that's minus 2xh.
Yeah, but since the x plus h is in parentheses, you like distribute the negative. So it's plus 2x minus 2h.
You have to.
Oh, that's why I effed up right there. Plus,
Let me check that answer.
I gotta break that up. Yeah? No?
Wait. What do you?
Where's the original thing? Yeah, let me see your thingy.
This is saying the answer is 6x plus 3h minus 3.
Minus 3.
So we must have lost
I lost an h somewhere.
Oh, minus 2h.
Because you got the minus
Yeah,
2, the x minus
yeah, okay. Okay, that makes more sense. But it's supposed to be minus 3, I guess. So, just somewhere is.
Yeah, it says minus 3, so I don't know if we're wrong or the key is wrong.
I think the key is wrong because the coefficient on the h is a negative 2.
You have it right?
And I don't know
makes
where
sense.
the
I got
negative
it.
is on the h. Did you find the 3, Zach or Tyrell?
No, I haven't yet.
What are you making? You take him out when you're done. I just took him out by his own foot. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know how
There's-
it's 3.
There's no way you could get that 3 anywhere.
Yeah, because there's no other like h without like by itself. So
Hey,
feel
well,
like
I think Sister Hess said that if the first group to find something wrong, it's like some extra credit.
score.
Like if you email it to her, I guess.
Okay. So you guys got 6x plus 3h minus 2, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I got the same answer now, so that means that I actually know how to do this.
Yay. Good job. Okay.
Okay, so
Got that one out of the way. Now we have to find the inverse of the function 2x plus 1 over 3x minus 4.
okay. You switch the x and the y and solve for y, yeah?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yep.
What do you do to get rid of the y's on the other side?
What do you have right now?
You got like 3xy minus 4x minus 1 over 2.
Okay, so I had 3. So this is how I worked through it. I had 3y or 3xy equal minus 4x equals 2y plus 1. And then I moved the 2y over and then I moved to the other side. So it's 3xy minus 2y equals 4x plus 1.
3xy minus 2y minus 4x plus 1.
Equals 4x plus 1. So you have all the x's on the other side. And then you take the y out. So it's y times the quantity 3x minus 2 equals 4x plus 1. And then you just divide the 3x minus 2. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense now.
So it's y equals 4x plus 1 over 3x minus 2.
That's what I got.
think. Let's check the... Yeah.
Okay. So I guess the only part that I was messing up on is you gotta move all the y quantities to one side, the x quantities to one side, and then
Yeah.
move it like that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha.
Because that way, all you have to do really is just divide by whatever x is left.
Yeah.
That makes sense? Okay. Okay, then we have to do our favorite piecewise functions.
Yeah.
I just don't like these because they take forever to, like,
I know.
complete.
Graph.
So
Well,
easy.
thankfully these ones are easy ones though.
Yeah. For sure.
So 2x plus 8. We can just plot a few points for that one.
Mm-hmm.
So it's going to be less than -2, so just graph like -3 and -4 or whatever. Draw a line. I can do that.
Yeah, so it would be...
-6. So you get 2, and then you get 0. And then -5 should be -2. Yep. So there's 3 points for the first one if we want to graph that, or we can just plug it into a thingy.
Sorry.
X squared.
So -4 is 0.
Yep.
And
-3, 2.
Yep.
Yeah.
Wait.
And then -5, -2, if you want that one too.
Mhm.
Yep. And then x squared between -2 and 2. So 1, -1, 0, 1. It's just
Mhm.
gonna be 1, 1, 0, 1.
0, 1.
Yeah.
Okay. And then x minus. I mean, 8 minus 2x.
So we can, since it's equal to 2, we can plug in 2 and then 3, I guess, as well. And start there. 2 is.
Wait, what are you doing with that?
We're just graphing some points real quick. We're just getting points.
I know, which part are you graphing?
The last one.
Okay.
So it'd get 2, 4,
Yeah.
which goes over the x squared.
Mm-hmm.
That's point.
Yeah.
And then you'd get 3, 2,
Mm-hmm.
and 4, 0.
Yeah.
And then you have to make sure you have the right, like, dots or whatever. So if it's an open circle or a closed one.
It's an open circle.
The only closed circle is the equals one. So
Right. The 2.
over the 2.
Yeah. Yeah, so, but it would overlap with the x squared on
Yes.
that one side.
Yeah, it does.
So that would be solid.
Yeah.
Okay. And then
Domain and
yeah,
range.
domain range.
Domain and range for the whole thing.
Yeah.
I think so.
So
That's really hard.
Domain would be all real numbers.
except for -2, right?
Yeah. Because -2, there's that hole.
I think so.
Then range the numbers less than
4?
4
Yeah.
or equal to 4.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it goes.
But I don't know. Okay. I think it's, let's check. Oh, they don't have
Domain
the
said
open
all real
box.
numbers.
Yeah, because I think you could put anything in. It just doesn't mean that it will work with the function. Like
With
it
that
won't.
particular function, yeah.
Like it won't. What's the word? Like you can plug any extra.
That's so weird though, because there's that -2 that's an open circle for both places.
Yeah.
Because the one function says anything less than -2, and then the other function says anything greater than -2, which means -2 is just like not there.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I don't know. I'll just I'll email her and ask her what that is.
Do you know why, Olivia?
Okay, I'm a little confused. Wait, what's the question? Wait, are we still talking about the domain?
Yeah.
Okay. I think it's because we're not doing it like the range like piece by piece. We're just doing it for the whole, for all of the functions. So I guess it'd just be easier to do that. That's what I thought.
Okay.
But I could be wrong.
It's all good. All I know is that we did everything pretty much. We
Yeah.
did everything correctly. that's something that I can just ask her and double
Okay.
check on that. It's no biggie.
Okay.
That's it.
When
I
should
think-
we have our next one? Is Thursday good, or do you want? What do you guys want?
Let me check
Okay.
what's going on then.
let me see what we have to do.
Okay.
Like if it's a lot to do, maybe we should do it earlier, and if it's not, okay. So just have to talk about the preparation assignments, I guess, that we're supposed to do before. And then we have 3 problems to do for next week.
Okay.
I mean, for Thursday.
So it's not that big of a thing.
Yeah.
So why don't we do Thursday? Well, I can do it earlier Wednesday morning. Or,
Wednesday morning.
Yeah, but like early Wednesday morning, like 8.
I got class at 9.
Okay, or Thursday anytime after like 11:15.
Okay. Yeah, that works.
So like 11:30 noon.
11:30. Yeah, 11:30 again. That's cool.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll make sure Tyrell actually knows how to do it this time.
Okay, and then there was a note on the or announcement or whatever that whoever submits the link to, or I guess write in the comments or whatever, everybody's name.
First and last, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
so it's
okay.
easier for them to put like
Grades.
our participation grade or whatever.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because we know that they don't actually watch the video, so.
Yeah, they don't
Yeah.
watch it at all.
I know.
Okay, wait, what day do we say?
Thursday at
11:30.
11:30.
Does that work for you?
So basically, yeah.
Tyrell doesn't go to school. This is his only class.
I
So.
have class right now. So.
Okay.
All right, cool
So
guys. Well, we'll
See you
see you
guys.
then.
Yep.